high to low. Okay? So every single one of these bars is exactly 8 pips from high to low. Every one of them. 0305, 0313. This one's 0305 down to 0297. Every single one of these will be exactly the same length from high to low. Now the cool thing about this is the bars only print when the market moves, right? These bars will you'll only get new bars when the market's moving. So it creates some very, very nice, look at the ebb and flow here. You want to talk about being able to see new structure high, new structure low? The great thing about this particular chart is that it makes it very, very easy to see where those swings come in. Yeah? Okay. We can also find patterns on these charts because what do we need? We need swing highs and swing lows, right? The patterns don't change just because we're on a different time frame. And as you can see right here, this was a cipher pattern, same one we just looked at. This one ended up hitting the first target. Like I said, these are about 80% accurate. About 80% of the time you're going to get a winner out of this one, and we got a winner. Target 1 was hit. We also have a second pattern in here. If I could draw it in here, it'd be hard to see. Something like this. Bring in my Fibonacci retracement, swing low to swing high. And you're going to see right at the 786, boom, this is another cipher pattern. So we had a small cipher pattern, boom, we got target 1. Then we got a bigger cipher pattern, market came right down into that 786 right there, had a little double bottom, and then skyrocketed, target 1 and target 2 hit. How long do you wait for the pattern to complete? As long as you have to, until the pattern is invalidated. And I'm talking specifically about patterns right now, guys, and I know that we haven't covered Fibonacci yet, and I know we haven't really talked about patterns in here, but I want to show you what, so that when we're trading this in real time, you guys kind of have an idea of what we're doing here. We're basically looking for high probability setups using some very simple structure and Fibonacci retracements. Couple of Fibonacci levels is all we're looking at. And we can create these beautiful patterns that make it very, very easy to see exactly what's happening. And in this particular case, a couple of very, very nice winners here on Canada on the 8 range chart. Questions about what we've discussed here? Let me see. Hang on a minute. Open this up so I can read a little bit more. Oh, hang on. Got too many people asking questions here. Ah, so many questions. Are range charts better than candles? No, they're just different. They're just different. Can you do this on MetaTrader? I don't have any idea. I don't use MetaTrader. How long is the cipher pattern valid? Until it's invalid. Now, there's specific. If we break structure, then we invalidate the pattern. If one of the legs is violated, then that invalidates the pattern. There's a series. I mean, all of the patterns have very specific rules. Okay. Good grief, man. These questions are really coming fast. Let me see what I can do here. Which time frame do you use primarily for pattern trading? And guys, this is the thing. It doesn't matter. It does. I've got 4-hour charts up here. We've got 60-minute charts that I'm watching here on New Zealand. This is a New Zealand trade, a 60-minute New Zealand trade. This is another bat pattern. Looks like this.